So we're in a family suite over at All Star Music. So when you come in, there's a nice big amount of space here. We've got hangers, TV, lots of locations here to store your items. You've got your couch and table, and these are both going to turn into pull-down beds, which we'll show you how that works in just a few. Here's the first bathroom, which is super cute. You've got a little closet, iron sink, a full bathtub, toilet.
Nice little hanging area.
Yeah. Little closet, okay. So then this is the side of this main area, some drawers. Can you open those doors over there? The doors?
Huh?
Right there, baby.
Oh.
All right, so there's some pillows.
And a book.
Okay, we're gonna go over here into the kitchen. So you got a little kitchenette. So it's actually a full fridge and freezer.
Freezers.
It's very rare that you're gonna get a full freezer. This is the only location other than a deluxe resort, 1 bedroom and higher, that you're gonna get a full freezer. Art of Animation just has a small fridge.
A microwave.
A microwave.
Press the button and it opens.
That's correct. Lots of places for storage of food, as well as a coffee maker
Ooh,
and
there's some
drawers.
cups and like,
Yeah, you got some accessories there.
yeah. And
Great.
nothing.
Okay, this is the main bedroom. This is a queen size bed.
Ooh, some silverware.
Super cute. You have a little sitting area.
They got a little Mickey.
Yeah. These were recently redone, I think about 2 years ago. I think in 2022 these were redone.
Oh, there's
Wow,
a
they look really
sink.
nice.
In here, there's a sink.
A nice big mirror.
And here.
Another closet. Some hanging space. And this is just a shower. But this does pocket door closed. All right. And now my lovely helpers are going to show us how you transition to the Murphy bed. The Murphy beds.
Murphy bed.
Okay, back in the main area.
Whoa.
All right, Evie, step back. Go ahead. And you're going to transition your whole bed room into
Whoa.
the Murphy beds. How cute is that? Can you help Grandma pull? There we go. How cute is it? Then you get the little lights.
Then, as you can
Oh my
see,
God, that's
there's
really adorable.
drawers that have pillows, so that's
Yeah.
the pillows, right?
And so that is the All Star Music Family Suite.